Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to sign in and secure access first. Open Gmail on web or app, enter your Google email and password, then complete any two-step verification prompts. This prevents unauthorized access. Once signed in, make sure to add or confirm a recovery email and phone number so you can regain access if you get locked out. Also, set your display name in settings to control how recipients see you. These immediate steps stop problems later and get you to your inbox fast. You'll learn to manage incoming messages next. Start by skimming the primary tab, then move social and promotions so urgent mail stands out. This reduces clutter. Create labels and apply filters to auto-sort messages. Filters can archive, label, or forward based on sender or keywords, which saves time. Use search operators like from, subject, or has attachment to locate items instantly. Once done, star or snooze messages you'll address later. These steps keep your inbox focused and searchable when you need anything. You're ready to compose and send with purpose. Click Compose, add recipients a clear subject, then write a concise message. Use CC or BCC when needed. Attach files via the paperclip or drag and drop, and if privacy or timing matters, enable confidential mode or schedule send. This controls access and delivery time. Before sending, preview for typos and verify attachments. If something fails, check spam, storage quota, or attachment size limits. Fixing one of those usually resolves common send or receive problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.